Welcome to Poul's Kitchen. Today we're going to shoot a video on Newfie Dutch cock soup. Alex and Amy were begging me to do this, absolutely begging, so this is up to on them, 100%. Please hit the like, share, subscribe. Alex and Amy, let's have a mouthful here.
Really, really spicy.
And really
flavorful.
What else?
Really spicy.
Does it taste good?
It tastes really good.
It does taste good.
All right, so let's see the rest of the story. Just please stay tuned, and we'll be back with more. Kitchen. This is Chef Poul with Chef Amy.
Hi.
Chef Amy took the words right out of my mouth. Today we're making something Chef Alex and Chef Amy are really excited about. Fortunately, Chef Alex is busy sleeping, but Amy was begging me to make her some cock soup. Amy is all about the cock soup. Now, when we're saying this is more or less a recipe for chicken. For anybody who has their mind in the gutter. I'm looking at you, Poul. So I got a pan, it's heating up right now, and we're gonna heat up some chicken.
Some ground chicken.
Yep, some ground chicken.
It's only a little bit.
It's only a little bit because we're not making a huge thing.
So it shouldn't take very long to cook.
Now this is typically a Jamaican dish. I'm not going full Jamaican because there's a lot of things that Jamaicans have access to that we don't. They have a certain style of dumplings we're not accustomed to, and being diabetics, we try to reduce our consumption of wheat products because
they turn into sugar.
Yeah. I got our pot here. We're going to use to simmer the actual soup on. We're already heating the water up. I'm going to put some...
Oh, not too much.
Some Reaper sauce on there. And yeah, Amy's kind of crying because I put a lot on. It sucks to be her. But this is supposed to be a hot soup. So I'm not doing this the full Jamaican way. It is what it is.
And that was garlic powder.
It's garlic powder. And this is our smoked paprika and onion. And some peppers. So we're going to cook this down. This shouldn't take very long at all.
Not at all. It's only a small amount.
It's a small amount and it's already ground. So we want to break this up a little bit. And I'm going to cook this as I see the Newfie Dutch style. Or should I just say the Amy style? Now, watch this tonight turn into the Dutch oven because hot sauce apparently leads to a lot of gas. And, well, we all know the way Amy is.
Hey!
So we're going to cook this down, and this is going to go right into the pot when it's done, along with the rest of the veggies that we're getting ready to cook down a little bit. It's almost like chicken noodle soup, really.
Yeah, except it's spicy.
Really spicy. And Amy likes soup a lot.
Yeah, I do.
And most people say, well, you know, Poul, why? There's a list of things like, Poul, why don't you cook this or that? One reason Chef Poul doesn't cook soup very often is Poul does not like soup. For whatever reason, it just goes right through me, so it's just not even worth my time trying.
So this will be for me.
Yeah. Another thing is, you know, Poul, why don't you try making some cake and some sweets? Well, there's a reason for that too. We're diabetic. Our channel is based on the ideal of trying to make people healthy, make better food choices. I got some carrots. And we kind of can't do that by cooking sweets and stuff that we can't have. Now, if I find some recipes that I really like, that are more centered towards us, that we can eat without having a whole lot of guilt. So that's some onions and some sweet pepper. I'm just going to put some potatoes on here. Soups. I find soup is acceptable when it comes to terms of when it's got some heartiness to it. This, I'm going to put some pepper. A little bit of Reaper sauce.
Not too much.
Now, we're not going to tell Alex we add this in if he comes and he wants some soup. This should teach him to you know, be
Not
awake.
to sleep in.
Not to sleep in every day. Love you, Alex. Really do. Looking forward to spending my day off with Alex.
And he's not even awake, and it's 1:30.
So I'm going to take some of the caulk dry soup mix. I can't get over this when I see this in the store. I just can't. and to be honest with you, it wasn't even me who even was looking for it. I think it was Amy or Alex, one of the two.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah, I got it. It was one of the two. And they're sitting there laughing like it's funny. I mean, it wasn't me this time. It really wasn't.
Does it smell spicy?
I don't think it smells that bad. That's spicy, to be honest with you. Going to give this a little bit of stir so that everything can go in. It smells like chicken noodle soup, but the biggest difference between that and real chicken noodle soup is this is a Jamaican thing, and Jamaican food is very hot and spicy. So like an Indian or most Africans, not all Africans, people think that all Africans, they all like hot food, and that's not true.
It's not true.
Some of them don't like hot stuff.
Yeah.
But to the ones that do, they can't eat it unless there's heat to it because it just tastes bland to them. I'm not going to cook this all the way. I'm not going to get this like all fully cooked. This is going to be on here for 30 minutes. So it's going to cook. I just want this spiced out a little bit. I think that should be enough.
Yeah.
I've already started the boiling process on a smaller burner. It's not going to stay on that.
No, I'll move to bigger one.
It's going to move to the bigger one once we got everything in it. But I just want to start the boiling process now. Okay, so here we have some onion, garlic, and jalapeno. Can you say Amy's in for a
Spicy treat?
spicy treat? Sun's going to come into her mouth on this caulk soup, but it's certainly not going to be salty. I'm sorry, but I mean, you wanted this, and adding more Reaper 51 in there, scorpion death pepper, one of the hottest peppers, if not the hottest pepper in the world. By cooking this out a little bit, it's going to release a little bit more flavors. We got the jalapeno seeds. Now, if you're making this and you go to clean this, make sure you wash this really good and wash your hands.
Yes.
Because, like, you touch your eyes or anything else that's sensitive.
Yeah.
Jalapeno is not necessarily the hottest thing in the world, but it's hot enough to cause you problems.
And that has Reaper 51 on top of it.
Yeah.
So
make sure you go to the bathroom, clean your hands really, really good. And if you're going to serve this to someone that's not you, somebody say, "Oh, that looks really good. Can you please share some with me?" You know, I'm always for sharing. Newfoundlanders are just that way. But make sure you tell them that there's jalapeno in it. It'd be a really jerk move to not. And I can starting to cough a little bit because I can actually taste the hot sauce. And people think, are you just trying to prank your wife? Not really. My wife absolutely loves the hot stuff. Right?
yep, it's good.
Wow. I used to like the hot stuff, but I'm starting to take reactions to it, so it's not really my thing.
Are we done with that?
Yeah, we're done with that for now.
I'll put it in the sink so it's out of the way then. Cool. Yeah, I can feel it in my nose.
So we're going to give this a little mixture, and you're going to see how it's quite a bit more. Now, I could have used some chicken broth if I really wanted to. We do have it. I don't want to use it.
We didn't need to.
Didn't need to. This, with the soup mix and everything else, I kind of feel like this has way more than enough.
Oh, yeah.
And so we're going to set this on and let this go for 30 minutes. When it's done, we're going to come back and Nini's going to have a little bowl of soup.
Yay.
But in the meantime, 30 minutes, keep an eye on it. Just don't walk away. Do a little taste testing. You may need to add a little bit more stuff to it. Like, should I add a little bit more of this? Probably not.
No.
It's going to kill me if I do that. But what else do we have here? I know we have something else. Oh, yes, we do. We're going to add some scorpion.
As if it wasn't hot enough before. It'll be even hotter.
I'm going to stir that in here so it's got some scorpion on it. So we'll be back when this is done and we can serve a bowl of soup to Amy. She's going to really enjoy this. So this is it, guys. You'll see it in the intro, not the end. This is the Noopy Dutch cock soup. So welcome back. So before we go any further, please hit the like, share, subscribe button. And here we got our soup. It's not very much of it. Like, it's just for Amy, so it's not. Alex is going to have a little bit too, mind you, but I'm not having this, so we didn't really make a lot. We see it's nice and hearty. It's got a lot of substance to it. Maybe I should have made some rice with it and added it, so, But before we go any further, please hit the like, share, subscribe button. How's it look, guys?
Excellent.
It's really good.
All right, so let's dig in. One mouthful, please, at least.
It's really good.
Any other comments?
It's kind of spicy.
Kind of spicy? Like how spicy?
It's pretty spicy.
Amy?
Very spicy.
Scale 1 to 10, guys.
10.
Say 8.
All right. So please hit the like, share, subscribe button. Thanks for coming in and have a great day.